So today we are going to see some of the very basic graphing skills which are very useful in calculus. So if we are given with a function y equal x plus 1, which we all know is a straight line and it looks something like this. This point is minus 1 and this is 1. We can easily calculate these points by putting y equals 0 or x equals 0 in the equation. So we are going to learn a transformation which we can call as it as a reciprocal transformation, which something look like this. So we are going to convert this graph into its reciprocal graph. So let us see. As we can see, this function is a straight line which is always increasing in nature, and if we take the first derivative of this function, we would get 1, which is positive. It means this y is increasing for all x belongs to R. And if we see this function, we have to think some of the very basic things, like in denominator we know it can never be 0. So this denominator is becoming 0 at x equal minus 1. So in minus 1 there will be an asymptote, because in minus 1 there will be no existence of this curve, and we see that this function is always increasing, so this will be always decreasing because this is the reciprocal of this function. So, and if we put infinity at x tends to infinity, when we put infinity it becomes 1 by infinity, which is basically 0. So at infinity or minus infinity it will always tends to 0, and at minus 1, if this point we can say is minus 1 minus, which is less than minus 1. So when we put minus 1 in here, so we will get a minus infinity, and this graph, when we put minus 1 plus in here, this will give us positive infinity, and at infinity this function will goes to 0. So this is the very basic graphing skill, and this is the part 1, or we can call it as a very introductory things. We will discuss further in the upcoming shorts.